Okay, so I'm going to make lamb lettuce and pine nuts, which I'm told go together really well. That's what the internet says. So it must be true. So I'm going to put tomato in to give it a bit of colour, to make it look nice above everything, and some avocado. So lamb's lettuce, lots of folate in it, and magnesium and calcium in perfect balance. So that's a really good food. You should eat lots of lettuce. Lots of potassium and magnesium in the avocado, and many other good things. Okay, so I'm going to put a lot of pine nuts in because I'm hungry. This is just for me. This is for one person. So it's a bit greedy really for one, but never mind. So first of all, we need to start our crushed garlic straight away. I'm going to make garlic mayonnaise. I was going to make just a simple vinaigrette, but I thought, what the hell. Yeah, pine nuts are quite luxurious, so let's have a luxurious dressing. And then we're going to have some miso soup at the end, as always. Miso, check out the link in my description underneath to see my 2 videos on miso. One is a short video showing how to make 3 days supply and keep it fresh in the fridge with vacuum wine stopper. Yeah, this is vacuum wine stopper. And yeah, the other video is very long. It's the 28 at least health benefits of miso soup. And miso soup settles the stomach. It's a great digestive aid, and it's an appetite suppressant. So you must have it at the end of the meal, not at the beginning of the meal. Okay, like the Japanese do. That's what the Japanese do, they have it at the end of the meal. Okay, so let's crush our garlic. Yeah, the garlic needs to be crushed for at least 10 minutes before you use it, so that the allicin, which is the health-giving component, fantastic medicinal component, can develop in the air, in oxygen. Okay, so it needs to be done 10 minutes before you use it. I did make an insert for garlic. We need to look for that. Okay. So while I'm waiting for the garlic to go off, well, not to go off, but for the allicin to develop, let's deal with the tomatoes and the avocados, and hopefully that'll take about 10 minutes. It's 5 past now, So you want to be doing something until 1/4 past. I always take the seeds out because they contain leptins which damage the gut lining, and this channel is all about healing the gut to reverse 90 chronic diseases with the cellulose diet. So we don't want the seeds, we get rid of the seeds. Apart from that, tomato has a really good antioxidant called lycopene. Very good for old gits like me who have enlarged prostate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Neapolitan men. In Naples, they eat tomato sauce with everything, passata. Yeah, they eat it practically with every meal. That's the stereotype anyway. But they found that Neapolitan men have a very low incidence of enlarged prostate, and they think it's due to the lycopene. So very good to eat tomato. Also rich in lycopene are red cabbage and watermelon. So if you want to look after your prostate, make some sauerkraut with red cabbage and eat lots of sauerkraut like I do. Okay. So what time is it now? Oh, we got another 7 minutes to go before the garlic's ready. So let's get our avocado ready. Okay, cue the music, Neil.